In today's video, we talk about the easiest way to build your wardrobe as a muscular man. Stay tuned to the end to find my favorite summer shorts. What's up, gentlemen? Welcome to Muscular Style, where we talk about menswear for the muscular man. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you can hear about our weekly content. In today's video, we are a bit more casual. We're talking about building out your summer wardrobe. Now, one of the biggest frustrations for me has always been going shopping. I actually like to try on clothes, find new things, but what I don't like is trying on 40 pairs of jeans and not having a single pair of them fit. Now, I'm assuming most of you don't want to try on 40 pairs of jeans. I had a friend tag along when I did go shopping one time. It was the 40 jean incident, and he was furious. So I want to save you time, I want to save you money, and I want to help you avoid wasting time in stores. So today we're talking about Amazon Prime wardrobe. Now, how I like to use this is I will find the item that I'm looking for. Let's go with shorts for this. Now, you can have up to 8 items, and so I will find 3 different pairs of shorts that look like what I'm looking for. And what I do is I order the size I think I am, and then I order the size below and the size above. And what that does is it allows you a range so that you can see where the fit issues are with that particular brand. With my latest order, I found Good Threads, which is owned by Amazon, also Amazon Basics, and then I also had Izod. Now, when I got my shipment of these shorts in, I noticed that the Good Threads were far too tight in areas they shouldn't be tight in. I noticed that the Izod was actually really loose at the bottom of my leg, which you don't want as a muscular man. If you have large size already, a wide lower leg is actually gonna make you look like you have chicken legs. But I did find that the Amazon Basic shorts fit perfectly. They are maybe a touch wider than I'd like at the base of the short, but overall these fit incredibly well. They are 90% polyester, 10% spandex, so they stretch incredibly well, they're comfortable, they are durable. So the biggest benefit of building your wardrobe this way is not paying for any of the clothing before it gets to you. Amazon gives you a 7-day try-on period where they send it to you, you can try them on, you don't pay a penny. You don't have to go to the store either, which does save you some time. I do appreciate that. The one downfall is the shipping time on these. It is slower than Amazon Prime's typical ship time of 2 days, but with the time that it saves, that's worth the wait. So these have become my new go-to short for the summer. When looking for summer clothes, I do look for quality, but I also know that I am going to be sweating a lot more. They're going to take more of a beating, and so I do look for durability and for style, but I'm okay with having a little bit less expensive clothing for the summer. So if you're a muscular man and you are looking for shorts this summer, I do recommend checking out the Amazon Basics short. You can also go through the process that we walked through. Try several on. Get some Amazon Basics, find 2 other shorts that you really like on Prime Wardrobe, and try them out. See what you think. If you've been getting value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, what are your favorite shorts for the summer? I'd love to hear your feedback below. Until next time, stay muscular and stay stylish.